Structure of nucleic acid, the composition of ribose sugar, pentose sugar, base and phosphoric acid is called one nucleotide. One nucleotide is react with another nucleotide to form phosphodiester, and 3/5 position. Suppose I will write here one pentose sugar. This is a pentose sugar. Okay, pentose sugar. Here OH. Suppose here hydrogen means it is a DNA, deoxyribose sugar. Only hydrogen means it is a RNA. Here RNA and DNA. This is a DNA. Hydroxy means it is RNA. And here one phosphoric acid CH2O phosphorus diester. Okay, and here which contain one any base, not benzene ring. This is a base, any base. The numbering also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a one nucleotide. One nucleotide is react with another nucleotide. Here also same. Okay. Here another base. Okay, and here also OH. If the DNA means H, RNA means OH. Okay, here also CH2O phosphoric acid, double bond O minus OH. Here also we can write here OH. Okay, this is another nucleotide. Here also numbering 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5th carbon. Here when one nucleotide is react with another nucleotide, here hydrogen, one nucleotide and another nucleotide. Inter-elimination of water molecules here, to form phosphodiester. Okay, same. Here base and H, CH2O phosphorus O minus, continuously. Here also elimination of water, and here OH. Here also another OH phosphorus, double bond O CH2 this is a base. Here also base. Okay, H, OH, H. Listen carefully. Here one nucleotide, another nucleotide. Inter-elimination of water molecule, here hydrogen and here hydroxy compound. The bond linkage between C3 and C5, C5 and C3, and C5, C3, C5, C3, that is called as 3' and 5'. This is the bond linkage is called phosphodiester. Phosphodiester linkage. Okay, this is a phosphodiester linkage between the two nucleotides. The C3 carbon, this is the numbering of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, C5 carbon, C3 carbon. C5 carbon, C3 carbon. It is the inter-elimination of between the two nucleotides, that is called as phosphodiester. Similar to the carbohydrates, that is called glycosidic linkage between the two monosaccharide. If coming to amino acid means between the two amino acid inter-elimination of water molecules, that is called as peptide linkage. Peptide linkage between the two nucleotide inter-elimination of water molecules from C3 carbon and C5 carbon. C3 carbon and C5 carbon, that is called as phosphodiester linkage. Phosphodiester linkage. When the phosphodiester linkage is formed, here also again continuous another nucleotide, means here also another one inter-elimination of water molecules. This is called nucleic acid, means it is a nucleotide to form one nucleic acid chain, that is a chain sequence of nucleotide to form a nucleic acid chain. Sequence of nucleotide inter-elimination of water molecules from C3 and C5 or 3' and 5', that is called as nucleic acid. If the outer bond form in nucleic acid, DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, that is here the base, this is a base, okay, base pair between adenine and thymine, guanine and cytosine. Okay, again if one nucleotide is there, when one nucleotide here another nucleotide is formed, listen here, another nucleotide means this is a base, okay, here also numbering C1, C2, C3, C4 and same C5, CH2, okay, O phosphorus double bond O minus OH, continuous O minus. Again here C3 carbon, here OH, the linkage is oxygen linkage. Next here phosphorus double bond O and O minus, here O CH2, okay, CH2, the base pair is same. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also another base, and here also the OH, H, here H, nucleic acid, H. Okay, here also opposite of one nucleotide chain and another nucleotide chain. When one nucleotide chain and opposite another nucleotide chain, it is two nucleic acid double helical structure of nucleic acid. When the base pair, it is a particular base, the specific base pair is form hydrogen bond, intermolecular hydrogen bond between adenine and thymine, guanine and cytosine. When it is, suppose I am taken here one guanine, means here the compound another base is here cytosine. When here adenine means here base pair, the specific base pair to thymine. The hydrogen bond, it is guanine and cytosine, is a intermolecular force between the two nucleic acid chain structure, the base pair, particular base pair, guanine and cytosine, and adenine and thymine. How many hydrogen bond? Intermolecular force of 2 hydrogen bond between the base pairs. This is the structure of nucleic acid. This is how to form one nucleic acid chain structures between the two nucleotide, inter-elimination of water molecules from C3 carbon to C5 carbon, that is called 3' and 5'. Next, let us go for another one. It is a hydrogen bond. When the hydrogen bond between the guanine and cytosine means, here just you concentrate here hydrogen bond. This is a guanine and cytosine. This is a guanine, it is having a carbonyl compound CONH, NH2. Here opposite it is having a cytosine, it is also NH2 is opposite to carbonyl to form hydrogen bond, one hydrogen bond, and NH and N second hydrogen bond, and CO and NH2 third hydrogen bond. How many? 3 hydrogen bond, that is a guanine and cytosine. This is not covalent bond. This is a intermolecular, partially it is intermolecular force to form hydrogen bond. This is guanine and cytosine. Coming to here, adenine and thymine. Adenine here does not having NH2 group. Here guanine is NH2 group is there. That's why to form 3 hydrogen bond. Here only the 2 hydrogen bond between the adenine and thymine. Here 2 hydrogen bond. Simultaneously, if you go for RNA also, instead of here adenine, instead of thiamine, we had used, it is having a uracil. Adenine is base is paired with uracil. It is also 2 intermolecular hydrogen bond. This is very important. It is how to form nucleic acid or nucleotide between the 2 nucleotide to form nucleic acid. Okay, next we will go for the double helical structure of DNA, Watson and Crick model of DNA. Next we will go for structure of DNA or Watson and Crick model of DNA. Okay, this is the double helical structure of DNA, Watson and Crick model. Okay, information of regarding of nucleotide, a sequence chain of nucleotide in the nucleic acid. The sequence of nucleotide in the nucleic acid is called primary structures. Okay, sequence of nucleotide chain in the nucleic acid is called primary structure. If the secondary structure also formed, that is called as Watson double helical structure of DNA. The Watson and Francis Crick, okay, James Watson and Francis Crick, they will isolate the double helical structure of DNA. They gave double helical structure of DNA. This DNA, it is having a 2 strands of nucleic acid, is nucleic acid chain is wound together. It is having a double helical structure to form. Each nucleic acid which containing specific base. Here we are not mentioned ribose sugar and phosphoric acid. Here the nucleic acid nucleotide chain is there. We are not mentioned here nucleotide means ribose sugar and phosphoric acid. We are mentioned one base. The base is guanine. Specific base is paired with the cytosine. The guanine is paired with cytosine. Coming to here, one guanine and cytosine. First one, the James Watson and Francis Crick gave the double helical structure of DNA. The two nucleic acid chain are held or wound together by intermolecular hydrogen bond between the pair of bases. Here, the guanine base is intermolecular hydrogen bond with the cytosine base. Another nucleic acid chain, here also one nucleic acid chain, that is a double helical structure of nucleic acid chain. If the guanine is bind with cytosine and adenine is hydrogen bond with the thymine, and here also the third point, coming to here, the two strands are complementary to each other. Two strands are complementary to each other because hydrogen bonds are formed between the specific base. Is guanine is base with cytosine, adenine is a hydrogen bond with thymine. Okay. Next one, the adenine form hydrogen bond with thymine and cytosine hydrogen bond with the guanine. Here the hydrogen bond, here cytosine, guanine, cytosine, adenine, thymine, adenine. This is the double helical structure of DNA. Coming to here, this is the 4 point is enough. Coming to here, the hydrogen bond is guanine, cytosine, adenine and thymine. Here the triple bond, here the guanine and cytosine and adenine and thymine. Okay, this is the double helical structure of DNA. Okay, you have to write the 4 point. Okay, first point, it is having the double helical structures of DNA. The James Watson and Francis Crick, they gave it is having a double helical structures, and the two nucleic acid chain are held together between hydrogen bond, that is called hydrogen bond between pairs of bases. Next, the two strands are complementary to each other, double helical structure complementary to each other because which contain hydrogen bond, okay, between the specific pair of bases. Next one, the adenine, the particular base, it is adenine is bind with thymine, and cytosine is a hydrogen bond with guanine. Okay, this is the double helical structure of DNA. RNA also, it is the same property, but it is a single helical structure, but it is a folded is more. It is the same, it is having guanine, cytosine, adenine instead of thymine, it is a uracil to form hydrogen bond. Here also same, two hydrogen bond between adenine and uracil. Okay, this is the RNA structures, and RNA, it is having types of RNA is there. mRNA, messenger RNA, and ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA. Okay, these are all types of RNA. Next, we will go for what is the fingerprint of DNA. Okay, this is the structure of DNA. Okay, next we will go for DNA fingerprinting. Every individual person is having a unique fingerprinting if it is occurs in the tips of the fingers. Okay, here suppose if we go for long time, we can find out if we can identify it is on the basis of fingerprinting. Okay, here the DNA fingerprinting, what is the uses means in the forensic laboratory, if the something it is a criminal is something doing mistake means we can find out the criminal. It is in the forensic laboratory for identification of criminal we can use, that is one of the important factor. Second one, to determine the pattern of in an individual. Next one, identify the dead bodies in accident. If the accident is happens means we can children's we can find out it is having a parental mother and father DNA. We can compare with DNA. It is accident is happened means we can easily compare. Okay. Next one, to identify racial groups to rewrite biological evolution. If it is having a historical, it is having a 2019, 19th century, 18th century, it is something, it is having animals is, any part is obtained means we can rewrite easily biological evolution. This is the important factor of DNA fingerprinting. Okay. Okay. Next, another biomolecules are called enzymes. Enzymes are proteins. It is a biochemical catalyst. Biochemical or biocatalyst. Okay. Biocatalyst is called enzymes. Generally, enzymes in a suffix we are using ase, okay, lactase, maltase. Examples, it is having maltase enzymes. Next, lactase, invertase, gymase, urease. These are the suffix here ASE, ASE, ASE. This is the enzymes. If you go for disaccharide, disaccharide which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of acid to form two number of monosaccharide, or you take it is having a sucrose. Sucrose formula C12H22O11 which undergoes molasses. It undergoes hydrolysis in presence of enzymes. The enzyme's name is invertase. Invertase. Okay, invertase to form glucose plus fructose. Glucose plus fructose. Okay, this is also enzymes. Next one, another, if we go for molasses fermentation, glucose C6H12O6, glucose in presence of gymase enzymes to form ethyl alcohol, okay, and released carbon dioxide. Okay, this is the enzymatic action. What are enzymes? They will ask question. Enzymes is a proteins. Enzymes are protein. It is a biochemical catalyst. It is a biochemical catalyst are called enzymes. They will ask 1 mark question. What are enzymes? Okay. Next, it is which enzymes we are using is glucose is converted to ethanol. They will ask 1 mark question. Gymase. And sucrose is converted to glucose and fructose is invertase. Okay. Next we will go for the nature of enzymes. Okay. What is the characteristic of enzymes? Enzymes, it is increase the rate of reaction, that is highly specific in nature. Certain pH also it is highly active in certain pH. This is the first factor. It is highly specific in nature, and if it is increase the rate of reaction also, highly active under optimum temperature. Temperature is very important. If you go for 310 Kelvin means if the enzymes is very active, it is increase the rate of reaction. Okay. Next one, it is increase the activity in the presence of activator and coenzymes. Okay. If the increase the activity in the presence of activator and the coenzymes. Okay, what is coenzymes? In certain enzymes, a non-protein part are called coenzymes. Okay, coenzymes means it is a certain enzymes is a non-protein part is called coenzymes. It increase efficiency of the enzymes. In such enzymes, proteins part is called apoenzyme. What happens here? It is increase the efficiency of enzymes. If the enzymes is inactive means it is increase the efficiency. In the such enzymes, proteins part is called apoenzymes. Next, last part, it is enzymes are highly active under optimum pH. Okay, these are all the characteristic of enzymes. Next, we will go for last part. What are hormones? Okay, that is the 1 mark question they will ask. Okay. Last part, what are hormones? They will ask 1 marks. Hormones It is a biomolecule. It is a molecules that act as a intercellular messenger and poured directly in the bloodstream by endocrine gland. Okay, enzymes, hormones are, it is a intercellular messenger of endocrine glands is called hormones. Okay, it is the definition. They will ask one mark question. This is hormones. What is the types of hormones? Hormones, it is having steroids, it is a sex hormones, it is a estrogen and androgens. Okay. Next one is polypeptide. Polypeptide is insulin. Insulin is a proteins which contain 51 amino acid. It will maintain the glucose level in blood. Okay, this is the insulin is more, means it is having a insulin is there, means it is a glucose is converted to glycogen in presence of insulin. If insulin does not is there, means the glucose is not converted to glycogen, the glucose is directly entered to the blood. It is from the blood clotting. Okay, that is the coagulation of blood. Okay, here when the insulin, it will maintain the sugar level. This is, they will ask 1 mark questions. Okay, it is a, insulin is very important. Insulin, it is containing 51 amino acid. 51 amino acid each, it is a 21 chain, and here the 21 and another one is 30 amino acid and 21 amino acid. This is the chain between is a sulfur bond. If the sulfur is present in 16 amino acid and methionine, when it is having a amino acid chain and amino acid chain, between the 16 to form, it is having a sulfur atom. This is a 21 chain and 30 chain. This is the insulin enzymes which containing which elements, metal means here insulin, zinc atoms is present in the insulin. Okay, this is the important questions. Next one, another one is amino acid derivatives, means it is a epinephrine and norepinephrine. Okay, this is one of the amino acid derivatives. These are all it is having a hormones. What are hormones? They will ask only one question, or they will ask insulin is important character. It will maintain the glucose in blood level. It will glucose level in blood. Okay, these are all it is having biomolecules chapter. Okay, next we'll go for the important in this chapter. In the biomolecules, it's important questions. A total number of marks is 6 marks, 1 marks question and 5 marks questions. Okay, the first one, what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates. What are carbohydrates? How you will classify it? They will ask 2 marks question. Okay. Next one, second one, structural elucidation of glucose. Structural elucidation. Structural elucidation of glucose means here presence of 6 carbon in straight chain. Presence of carbonyl compounds is react with hydrogen cyanide or hydroxylamine. Presence of aldehyde when glucose is react with bromine water to form gluconic acid. Presence of 5-hydroxy group. Presence of primary alcohol. These are all it is having a structural elucidation of glucose. Next one, you should know the Haworth structure of 1 by 1 glucose, fructose and fructose. They will ask 1 mark question. Okay, suppose our structure of maltose, lactose, sucrose. Okay, these are all it is having 2 marks question. Okay, sometimes write the our structure of amylose, amylopectin. Okay, our structure or difference between difference between amylose and amylopectin. They will ask 2 marks question. Okay. Next we will go for fourth one. What is denaturation of protein? Denaturation of proteins. They will ask here also 2 marks question. Next one, what is deuterion? Write equation of deuterion. 2 marks questions. Deuterion. Next one, what is dipeptide? This is also 2 marks question. Write equation of dipeptide. You take an example, glycine and alanine, or general equation dipeptide. Next one, what is difference between globular protein and fibrous protein? Okay. Next one, what are vitamins? Vitamins, how they are classified? Classification. 2 marks question. Okay. This is a 2 marks. 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks. And which deficiency vitamins to form these diseases? They are given the disease name. We have to mention vitamins. They are mentioned. Vitamins means they will ask the diseases. Pernicious anemia, which deficiency of vitamin? Vitamin B12. Scurvy diseases, vitamin C. Beriberi, vitamin B1, and xerophthalmia or night blindness, vitamin A. Okay. Next one, vitamin blood coagulation of blood, vitamin K. These are all it is having. They will ask 1 marks question regarding vitamins. Okay. Next one, nucleic acid, 1 marks question. These are all it is having a 1 marks questions. 1 marks questions, vitamins, and which bases is present in DNA, not in RNA, which bases is present in RNA, not in DNA, which bases is present in both DNA and RNA, bases is present in both DNA and RNA. Okay, they will ask 1 marks question because here only 1 marks questions is more. All they will ask cover. What are enzymes? What are enzymes? They will ask what are enzymes. What are hormones? Hormones. Okay, what is hormones, and what is deuterion? They will ask 1 marks question. Write the structure of glucose. Okay, these are all it is having a important questions regarding carbohydrates. Okay, proteins here they will ask the cellulose structures, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and nucleic acid. Okay, this is the important questions in carbohydrates. Okay, thank you.